Hey guys, it's Ringmaster Ray. Guess what? I guess you can tell what's in this box here. I just got it open. I opened it up on Keith's birthday at Coin Crew. They dropped it off at my house, so we opened it up and took it out of the box, but I have not opened up this box yet. And as you can see, I have the Garrett AT Max. I've always used the Garrett AT Pro. They're in the same series. They sound just the same, except this has a little more features to it, so I decided to go here. I thought about upgrading to some much better metal detectors, but I've had so much luck with the Garrett AT Pro. I decided to keep going with Garrett. Seems like I love their product. I have probably 100 times paid over what I spent on a Garrett AT Pro, and just had so much fun. Find hundreds of rings and found hundreds of coins, or I'd say more like thousands of coins, probably several $1,000s in money that I have found over time. So we're going to crack this open together and take it out and take a look at it. This one is supposed to be camouflaged. This is the coil cover here. It goes on the bottom so that way you don't damage your coil as you're going over rocks and gravel and all that stuff. We have our headphones right here. These are wireless headphones. I love these. I have it for my AT Pro also, and makes it so much easier not getting tangled up in a cord when you're trying to dig stuff up. So we're gonna put this together. It also came with a duck call. It came with the screw here for the coil itself where it connects. This is the Garrett specialty type AT Max. This is from the Robinson family right here from Duck Dynasty. As you can see, there's a Robinson family guy right there, and I pretty much look a lot like them. I could probably try out for their show. And so we're gonna crack this open. Like I said, we're just gonna take this on out and get this open. There we go. So this is your main part right here, the beautiful piece of technology that's built into this, and we're gonna get this thing all together. So I'm gonna set that off, get some more stuff off. Here we go. Pull out the rest of this. This is our coil, and I need to cut that right there in order to get the coil out. So let me grab some scissors and get that popped out. There we go. I'm just going to take the rest of our rod here. Get that out of there. Maybe. Doesn't even want to come out. There we go. That's the best way to go out. Okay. So in this piece will actually snap into here is what we're going to do. Probably have to pull this out a little bit. Let me get these push pins moving on the cam here. Being a little tricky to pull that out. Shouldn't have any cams there except for the coil. And these things, this push button is tough. Getting both of them pushed in pretty tight. That should come straight out. Oh well. Anyway, this will go into there. It will snap into the cams there. This part is where it holds the coils. And our coil bushing here, which I'm going to pull out of the bag. Go ahead and drop this out of the way. There we go. So this cam bushing here, I'll show you how this guy goes. There we go. So these little rubber washers are what's going to fit between here and the actual pole here. And so they go on right there. So let me undo that. Go. This should pull up. I don't know why it's not wanting to. There we go. Okay, found it. Well, this has a couple of little buttons right here, or little points, and it has this, and the ring, or the gasket ring, fits right into it right there. They just snap into place. Got it. All right, so now we're all set to hit the Viper. This has got the Viper coil on. It's pretty sweet. And then this piece goes right in here. Screw locks in. And then you have your other. Actually, I think it goes the other way if I'm not mistaken. Maybe not. No, because it's got to hit that cable. Just got to pull that out a little bit. Then this actually goes on and screws in place. We're going to get that all screwed down. As you can see right there. Then we're just going to kind of tighten it up, just gently tighten it up. Okay, so we're all set with this. The next thing we want to do, I need my cam screwed back on there a little bit. There we go. Is this is going to go into our main machine. There we go. And it has two different ports. One is for the coil itself. The other is for the audio. So this one's going to stay capped because this has the Z-Link in it, which is all wireless. But this is the port that's going to go in for our coil. So I'm going to take our safety cap off. And you can see here the way the pins are designed. And that way they slip in correctly. And as you can see right here, how they have it set up. And it will only go in one specific way. So it is set to make it easier to get it in because it's designed kind of like a half moon shape in there. And then our pins fit in there. Let's see, which way are we going? There we go. Approximately go this way. Kind of just gently move it back and forth until it slips into place, actually. Let's try it just straight up and down. Maybe we'll have better luck with it. Kind of hold that out of the way. See, it's got this half moon shape right there, and it's supposed to go. And it'll drop down in there once you got it fully set. I'm having some difficulty right now, though. Keeps popping out. Let me get some of this slack. There we go. There it is. Okay, so now I can feel that it's going down in there. Just kind of twist back and forth and snugly push it down there, and then I'm going to lock the screw bolt in place. Make sure that's secure. Keep tightening it down. That feels nice and snug there. Okay. So next what we're going to do is we're going to actually set this on. But also what I want to do is I want to wind the coil around the pole actually to get rid of that slack there. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to kind of just twist it around the pole, around and around and around. There we go. Before I even put this into here. And that way you can see that it's wrapped around the coil here, so it'll set straight like that. It's gonna, these pins are gonna lock into these holes here. So that is our goal, is to have this completely set in there. There it goes. And we're going to snap lock it. You're going to see them come in. And there they go. Snap locked into place. You can extend the length on this, get it comfortable with your shoulder distance, how tall you are. But mainly this machine is now ready to go. All I have to do is put batteries in it. It is waterproof up to 10 feet. It has the gasket plug right here to make it waterproof. And then it has your battery container right here, your cartridge. And it's already come with batteries, which is really nice. It is all set to go. So we're gonna get this back in place. But I do like the camo. The only thing, my buddies who metal detect with me were like, well, if you set it down, you won't be able to find it. That's a possibility. So let's turn this thing on. Oh, something's, maybe they have, I bet those batteries have plastic in them or over them. Let's take a look real quick. Maybe not. No, they're good. I was thinking maybe they had battery plastic over them, but it doesn't seem like it. You have to get this battery terminal just right, in the right direction. Yeah, I had it backwards there. Okay. So this piece right here should be facing to the right on here. That's what it is. And that's the way the same thing with the other, the AT Pro is. Let me get this flipped around, get our gasket switched back in there and turn lock that. Let's turn the wrong way. Got it turned all the way around. There we go. So now we can turn lock it. It's supposed to look like that. We should be able to, there we go. Now we got power. You hear it? Picking up all kinds of metal now. This also has a backlight, adjustable everything in it, which is very cool. And connects right to the wireless headphones. Turn the power off there. Let's get the wireless headphones out. Let's see where I set those down. Set them down over there. Maybe, oh, there they are. Here's the wireless headphones. And what they will do is they will automatically pair with this machine, and so does their pen pointer. There we go. Now we're all set. So these are just chargeable. I just charge them up, and they are all set to go also. So that's pretty nice. So I'm just going to leave those in there for now, just to keep them protected. But guys, that's about it for the Garrett AT Max with the Viper coil on it. I needed a new machine. I have definitely, that AT Pro has been an absolute workhorse, and I have ran it through totally I've gone through about 3 or 4 coils. I have gone through battery packs, multiple headphones over the last 6-7 years that I've used it. But man, it's hard to let go of that machine because it has been beautiful. I have found some incredible things. 22 piece dollar, multiple Mexico dollars, all kinds of coins, silver coins, unbelievable amounts, buffalo nickels, you name it. I have found a ton of stuff, and but I'm pretty excited to start a new chapter in the Garrett series here and trying the Garrett AT Max. And I hope that, yeah, this machine kicks butt like its sister. Well, guys, if you go check out Garrett, if you want to get a metal detector, there are other great metal detectors out there, but it was hard for me to make a decision to go to a whole different company. I decided to go with the Garrett AT Max. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Take care.